This video will cover how to replace a one-piece rear main seal on a small block Chevy. Part of my leak was the oil pan gasket was not aligned properly, alongside with the main seal leaking. Draining the oil makes things a lot easier and will help avoid any large oil spills. Use a punch and then drill a small hole in the main seal. Place a screw in the drilled hole and use a pair of pliers to remove the seal. I used a vice grip that's welded to a slide hammer. Inspect the freeze plugs for any leaks or rust. I lowered the oil pan and relocated the gasket. A bit of RTV keeps things leak-free. Clean the seal area. Place the new main seal on the crank using the supplied plastic installer. Use a PVC pipe to install the seal by hammering it in evenly. Once the seal is flush, remove the plastic install tool. I hope you liked this quick video. Make sure to watch my previous video on dropping the 700R4 transmission just in case you missed it. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram.